Good morning, friends. How are you? Enviropol has always been a pioneer in bringing together the industry professionals to discuss various emerging topics related to the field of air pollution control. Keeping up with this tradition, this month also we are bringing about a Powerpact webinar on air pollution control systems in the non-ferrous industries, focusing on aluminium and copper sectors. Please note down the timing. The time is 4 p.m. and the date is 26th of August. This particular webinar will discuss specifically about aluminium and copper industries across various areas like aluminium calcining, like aluminium smelting, focusing on pot rooms, focusing on anode baking furnaces and anode preparation areas. The webinar will also talk about the copper smelters and the associated pollutions in this area. We can assure you that you will have a great insight into this webinar, trying to figure out which is the best available technology for each of these areas, because each of the area has a different specific challenges. Sometimes the dust is sticky, sometimes the gas is having fumes, the aerosols, etc. And SOx reduction is also a major challenge. So we will deeply delve into each of these technologies and try to identify which technology suits which area the best. So what are you waiting for? Please register yourself for the webinar on 26th of August at 4 p.m. Thank you.